XRP fam, Hugo Philion has made it abundantly clear. We are officially in HODL diet season. And listen, I get it. I'm here with you. We've been holding for so long, it has become our safe space. And I know it's hard to change, but the road that Hugo Philion and his team at Flare Network built is secure and is battle tested to deliver. Which means now we can finally deploy and earn on our stack safely. Let's get it. And before everybody starts thinking that I'm hyping things up, I am not exaggerating. Watch this.
What Flare does is it basically brings all of the primitives you have in the rest of the market directly to XRP through Flare and through what we call FXRP. So we've made it as easy as possible to onboard your XRP to Flare, and we will continue making it easier. So when we say put your XRP to work, we mean things like DeFi coverage through Firelight. You effectively stake is the wrong word, but you basically put down your XRP as DeFi coverage. You earn a yield on that. You can borrow against your XRP, or stablecoins collateralized against your XRP. You can lend out your XRP. You can create a stablecoin directly from your XRP. You can do all kinds of fancy DEX stuff on Flare with your XRP. So you can be an LP. You can use your XRP as Perps collateral. So you can take positions with your XRP. Through our outward bridges from Flare, so from Flare onto Hyperliquid, you can take advantage of options with XRP. So these are all ways that you can put your XRP to work.
And that's no rando on X. That is Hugo Philion, the CEO of Flare Network, being interviewed by none other than Crypto Sensei. And I'd be remiss if I didn't give it up to my homie Crypto Sensei for delivering a solid interview. So if your Flare and XRP are still sitting in your wallet, then you are already off mission. But don't worry, I'm here to get you back on track. Hit the like button so this video reaches more people like you. And here's what really hit me, because this wasn't the first time I heard this. Darren from Enosys said almost the same thing to me, but in a conversation only three of us were in. Darren had just finished presenting to us over at the DeFi Den about his article on FIP 16. Shout out to my people over there at DeFi Den. When he was done, everybody began dropping off. Everybody said their goodbyes, and we just, we began vibing. It was three of us that were left at the end. It was Darren Tomasino, Mr. Whale, and myself. And as it often does after presentations, the tone dropped, things got a little bit more honest, more casual. I said something along the lines, since I started making videos, it's crazy how many people just don't take the time to learn the protocols so they can earn more. And the way Darren answered was something like this. You have to understand that that's the hodler's mentality. They bought XRP, they held it, and they appreciate it. So now they buy Flare and just wait for the same thing to happen. They don't understand Flare isn't for buying and hodling. Flare is for deploying. And I have to be honest, that was my light bulb moment. Hugo saying XRP is meant to be collateral that earns, and a builder telling me off camera most people are still stuck on hodl mode. Somebody has to carry this message to the XRP community. And that's exactly what this video is. A message to you XRP holders. It's time to deploy. So now comes the part where you decide, route A or route B. If you caught my short, XRP's Tale of Two Cities, this is where I hand you the keys. Route A is for people who want control. You self-custody all your Flare and XRP. You choose the protocols. You steer the yield. Route B is for people who want to take a simpler approach. They're okay with preset yield, handing over custody to institutional players like Uphold. There is lower upside, but you don't touch a dashboard. I want to be clear, both routes lead to Yield Town. The only question is, who's behind the wheel? You or an institution? If you want the bigger breakdown of how both routes play out in the real world, links are in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe. Now, before any of these routes are open to you, there is an on-ramp that every driver has to take. On the flare side, there are 3 levels to this, and each level feeds the other. Follow me. Level 1 is delegation. You take your flare, wrap it in, and you delegate it to an FTSO signal provider. What you are doing then is securing Flare's decentralized price feeds, the oracle layer that everything else depends on. And in return, you earn our Flare rewards. No funds need to be locked. You can move them at any point. Most people set this up in a few minutes. It is honestly the lowest barrier position in the whole ecosystem. This is where every Flare holder should start. So, if you're not even delegating yet, this is your first fix. I've got a full FTSO delegation walkthrough on my channel. Watch that next if this is new. Level 2 is staking directly to a validator. So instead of wrapping your tokens, you directly stake your Flare to the network validator, and that actively helps secure the actual chain itself. That usually comes with higher rewards, but you're taking on more responsibility for the network security. And you're locking up your funds for a minimum of 14 days. And you need a minimum of 50,000 Flare. So keep that in mind. You do have to choose a validator. So look at the performance, the reliability, and how they've been running. But this is a natural progression once delegation makes sense, of course. And again, I do have a video that gives you a walkthrough on how to choose a validator so that you're just not guessing. And then number 3, and this is where the fun begins, because it feels like you're deploying, not just participating. On the Flare side of things, you head to Sceptre first. You mint sFLR. You mint sFLR by staking your Flare or wrapped Flare and getting the liquid stake token as Flare. And this is where the power of the Flare network begins, because you're already earning by just holding the sFLare token. And the beauty of it all is that it stays composable because you can use sFLare across DeFi protocols all throughout Flare's network. Without the Sceptre layer, most of these other protocols don't even make sense for you yet. Surprise, surprise, Sceptre Guide 2. Watch that for the step-by-step before you begin touching the rest of the stack. And now that you got these 3 levels stacked correctly, your Flare is no longer just sitting idle. Congratulations. You are earning and you're taking minimum risk. And if you decide that this is enough for you, fine. But you're earning, my friends. You're earning. And you are also ready to deploy. On the XRP side, you have to wrap your XRP into FXRP. Now I get to talk to you about Firelight. Firelight is where your FXRP becomes staked XRP. You mint it, you stake it, and earn yield, all while staying fully liquid and in a non custodial fashion. That all sounds good to me. I think this product is going to revolutionize the DeFi space and going to bring in that institutional capital DeFi so needs in order to grow. This is my full tutorial and minting guide. Descriptions are down below. Get those done, and you are clear to merge. And now we can talk about deploying into the Flare ecosystem and what it actually looks like. Kinetic, Enosys, SparkDEX, Cyclo, Flamix, Spectra, Mystic. I think I got them all. These are just some of the protocols where I am deployed and earning some sweet, sweet yield. Your first stop and where I direct all Route A drivers to is Kinetic Markets. Here you drop your FXRP in as collateral, earn yield on it, or borrow against it without ever having to sell your precious coins. That means you keep full exposure of the upside to come. And it's the same play with sFLR. You supply it, earn on it, borrow against it. If you're new to Kinetic Markets, here's my step-by-step beginner's guide. Links are down in the description below. I give you full walkthroughs and a no liquidation roadmap. Your next stop on Route A is Enosys. In Enosis, you can use your FXRP or wrap Flare as collateral to mint CDP, Flare's first fully backed stablecoin. Then you could put that CDP to work for you in the earn pools. You can also run liquidity pools. I break this all down in my 2-part video series for Enosis. In part 1, Enosis loans and CDP, I give you step by steps on how to participate. And in part 2, I break down liquidity pools, getting in, getting out, and the mechanics and what to look out for. Links are in the description below. Your next stop is SparkDEX, the #1 DEX on Flare by TVL standards. And I have to be honest about this one. This is not like a gas station where you go in and out. This is a yield generating engine. Now, XRP Army, SparkDEX provides a broad range of services. You can swap. You get access to Perps trading. You get volume for concentrated liquidity pools. You can trade your Firelight, FXRP staking for staked XRP right on the platform. And you can gain access to all protocol revenues by participating in the XSparks token. As well, every product your FXRP and SFLR can plug into is live on this platform. My SparkDEX Beginner's Guide walks you through every single product step by step. Link down in the description below. Your next stop on Route A is Spectra. Once your XRP is wrapped into FXRP and your Flare is wrapped into sFLR or stakeflare, you can deploy it into Spectra. Spectra makes sFLR into a 20% plus yield powerhouse. And it's all done with a single sided vault strategy. Auto compounding, no impermanent loss headaches. This is where I literally hand you the keys with the PT, YTs, and LP mechanics. I break everything down in the video right here. The links are in the description below. Your next stop on Route A is Mystic Finance. This was the one the XRP Army has been waiting for because your wrapped FXRP is no longer dead weight. It's collateral earning APY plus our Flare rewards. Wow, you borrow wrap Flare cheap, and that allows you to create the loop. Remember to always monitor your health factor and turn this idle XRP into a net profit yield engine. This is a step-by-step guide, and the links, of course, are down in the description below. Let me tell you what just happened. You walked in with native XRP and Flare, both gas tokens that alone can't do any smart contract capabilities. In 12 minutes, I was able to give you the entire Flare DeFi playbook I deploy. Spectre turned Flare into sFLR and staked liquid earnings, which on its own accrues value. Bifrost and Firelight turned your XRP into FXRP, wrapped and collateralized and ready to deploy. Then the rails opened with Kinetic, your money market, Enosys, your DEX, your loan, your delegation engine, SparkDEX, the #1 DEX on Flare by TVL metrics, Spectra, your 20% plus sided sFLR powerhouse, Mystic, FXRP unlock the XRP Army had been waiting for. And we are not done yet. Flamix is loading, and Cyclo is loading. Two more weapons coming next. Here's the truth, XRP Army, that nobody else is telling you. The XRP Army does not need to wait for yield anymore. It's on Flare, and it's running right now. The yield is here, and people are building positions tonight. The people building positions tonight are going to be the ones who will quietly be winning 12 months from now. So if this video unlocked something for you, do three things. Ping the bell notification, subscribe, and like. Flamix and Cyclo deep dives coming soon. And come on, drop a comment below. Let me know which stack is the one you're looking into, the one that piques your interest. Remember, the keys are in your hands now. Now you have the roadmap. Go deploy your strategy. Remember, rich is still smart, not with luck. Forever rich, out.